Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon po ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung mga videos na nakuha ko po last 2 weeks ago during a snowstorm sa state namin. Magpa 5 years na po ako dito sa US. And then, ito po yung pinaka first time na worst snowstorm na na-experience ko. Pero po, like, naka-drive na po kami ni Terence ng twice during snowstorm. Like, the first one, pumunta kami sa South Dakota with my friends para mag-ski. And then, second one, pumunta kami ng Minneapolis para sa interview ko for my green card, 2 years green card. And then, tapos nun, hindi na ako naka-experience. But I mean, that snowstorm is not bad. Yung last 2 weeks ago, yun yung pinaka-bad na snowstorm na na-experience ko. Like, sa 5 years ko dito sa US. And then, sabi daw nila, like, parang tie daw yun ng worst snowstorm 25 years ago sa state ng North Dakota. Yun. Parang bagyo din ba? Yung bagyo nila na, kaso lang yun. Nagsusnow, yan, parang bagyo din. Pero, kung ako pa pipiliin, mas pipiliin ko na lang yung snowstorm kumpara sa tornado warning. At least, yung snow, makikita mo. Windy lang. And then, makikita mo na nagsusnow. Andiyan ka lang sa loob ng bahay nyo. Eh, yung tornado, hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta. I mean, alam mo, pero, di ba, umiiba-iba, like, right away. Hindi siya, na, doon lang talaga sa lugar na yun, magtawag na ay mag-tornado. Minsan, di ba, iiba siya. Parang ganyan. Yeah, between tornado, at snowstorm, mas pipiliin ko si snowstorm. Yan. So, guys, please stay tuned and watch my video. Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we cleaned our driveway because we had 3 days snowstorm. See, that's the ice piled up over there. There's a lot of ice. I will give you guys a good look of our driveway. I'll flip the camera. Alright guys, if you can see, this is the ice that we have here, and it's too impossible that we can get all of this ice in our driveway. So we just literally clean our driveway over here. May! Over here, so we can just like, like the car can get out, at least one car. Here. There we go. And May is running around. Hi, May. She's just running around and having fun. Here, yeah, this is what it looks like here. There you go, full of ice. Here, going to the garage, and we also made a pathway going this way on our stairs. Our front door. Look at how tall is this ice. Look, it's like up to my here. It's like up to my almost to my armpit. Yep. There you go. So May's playing with the ice, and also here. So Terence cleaned out over there in the driveway and over here in the pathway, and I also cleaned in here and in the front door and the stairs here up to here. And he just did this one over here in that little hallway. Yeah, I did this, and I also made this little slide of ice here for May, so May can go sledding in here. No, May, put it back because we just clear ice in here. May, you want to say hi? Hi, May. Hi, May. Oh, you got ice in your lips. Uh-oh. Hi, May. Hi, May. You want to sled, May? May, you want to sled? Let's go sled. Hi, May. Come on, let's go sled. We'll show you that you're gonna sled. Come on, let's go. Let's go show them you're sledding. Come on. Go up, Penny, go up. Okay, we'll show you guys that May will sled. Alright. Come on. Come on. Oh. Hold. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Whee! Come on, come on. Oh. Okay guys, this video was taken last April 15th at 1 in the morning. They started clearing the road, so at least people can get in and cars can pass. It's a lot of snow. It's like insane amount of snow. And of course, it's a lot of snow to shovel in the morning, which is not really good, but it's okay. We need moisture to help the farmers. It's nice also. Yeah, this is our 3-day snowstorm. So guys, this is the aftermath of 3 days snowstorm. It's ice everywhere, and after 2 days of snowstorm and snowing bad, this is Easter Sunday. This video was taken Easter Sunday, and there's another snow on that day. I mean, but it's not bad. At least it's not really bad compared to that 2 days of snow. So yeah, this is what it looked like on our road after 2 days of snowstorm. Hello guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video, and then if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that like button and share this video, and also don't forget to hit that bell button so you're always updated every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much again, and hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!